Man, won't you look at that? Hey guys, light. So it's February 20 something, 24th. I knew it. 2016, and it be raining. It's been raining really hard. Just wanted to show you guys what's happening. I mean, look at that. That's my backyard right now. It's like freaking flooded. Hopefully you guys can see. Oh man, I mean you can just see it. I mean, oh, here we go. These are the stairs to my porch, and look at that. My feet are literally submerged. That's ridiculous. It's just flooded back here. I mean, seriously, I have no idea what to say. Then look at our pond. Man, that's just. Oh, there we go. Look at that. It's just flooded all about. So let me see if I can. It's just horrible. Like this. I mean, that's a drain. I don't know what to do about that. And it's just really wet today. The rain mostly stopped. But you know, still a little drizzle. I mean, just look at that. My foot is almost. I mean, you shouldn't be able to do this. So we're gonna take a trip, a fun little trip. Gosh, I'm blinding myself like this. Trip around my backyard, front yard. Yeah, I mean, just look at this. It's flooded. Ooh, it's starting to get a little harder. I remember I was at work today. It just started raining bullets. I mean, just everywhere. I mean, you had no idea what's happening. Oh gosh. Let me put my hood on. See, back here seems pretty fun. Yeah, I know. It's dog pen. Let me go into the chicken pen. It's probably a lot worse than it usually is. Sorry. I'm trying to stop rain. Yeah. Take a look at the garden. It's a little flooded. Oh, yep, here we are. Chicken pen. Nice and... Oh, my foot's sinking. Man, just look at that. It's like a little trail, if you guys can see that. I don't know if you can. Man, it's just flooded back here. It's seriously... Oh, gosh. Oh, wow. Look at this. This is about the corner of next to neighbors. Look at that. That's gnarly. Man, I don't even know what to say. Now, if I'm right, everything is leading to like a river. Yep. You can see it. Right here. It's going between our neighbor's house. Let's follow it and see what happens. It's just. I'm gonna try to brighten this up again if I can. Oh, my feet are cold. Yeah, there's a river right over there. It's connecting somewhere down here. That was a rock or something. Just look at this. This is like, gosh, I don't even know. That's just going down there. I mean, gosh, look at this. Here, we'll follow this. And it's just massive rain. Rain won't go away. Come back some other day, dummy. We don't need this. Actually, we sort of do. After all the snow we got, I mean, who really cares? Man, this is not even warm one. I mean, just look at that. Straight. Oh, man. Look at that. All the rain coming off my driveway, making this giant. Oh, this is still part of my driveway. Dang. There's two ways. Actually using my neighbor's yard, so let's follow this way. I mean, just look at this. It's like a massive stream. I know you guys can't barely see anything. Hope I can brighten this up somehow. But look at end of the driveway. It's covered. And if you look here, I'll stop talking for a minute, but if you listen closely, you can hear it going out the drain. And do you hear that? Roaring like a mother trucker. It's roaring so loud. Just look at that. Oh, I just got sprayed with water. That was real nice. Man, it's just rain, rain, rain everywhere. Oh, let's look at that car. And he's driving. Alright. Oh man. Thank you, kind sir, for giving me some light. Now it's all gone. Bye-bye. Yeah, look, here's some more. I mean, this wire is literally ankle deep right now. It's ridiculous. And this just goes on and on. You can sort of see the reflection. I mean, come on. This is ridiculous. I'm a train. A little while ago, there was an ambulance heading in the direction of 401. My father came up with the conspiracy, or that it was on 401. It was going in that direction. We don't know if it was actually going there, but we think 401 is probably flooded. I mean, if it's flooded here, and we're like sort of on a slant, it's definitely flooded there, I think. So we have a theory that's when we got stuck or something. Yeah. Let's go inside and get out of the rain. Whew. Let me wipe that off. Sorry about that. I turned my camera off somehow. So we're inside. See, we're flooding there. Flooding back there. Nothing really in here yet. So flooding in those two spots. We're flying under the stairs, which is great. Yeah, look at this. We have just everything taken out right now. Look at that. Isn't that lovely? And then, right over here, we sort of tore up the carpet a bit just to get a better look inside. How's it over here? Alright, it's still pretty good. But yeah, that's about it. I'm smooth. Yeah, that's really about it. I just wanted to show you guys some of my house. This is my flooded house. And the flooding outside of me. Dang. Yeah, there's like a tornado warning to like 12 or something, which is great. I don't think it's gonna happen because it's sort of dying down right now. But I mean, it's just ridiculous, this rain. So yeah, that's really it. Yeah, I just wanted to show you guys, make a little video. I actually think about making more videos sort of on like a daily basis or something. But yeah, just for fun. Funsies though, sort of flooding under my sister's car. Come on, old Bessie, you can survive. Just look at that. And well, yeah, that's about it. If you're watching, thanks. But yeah, so see you guys. Hopefully the rain will stop.